thing, guys. With these luxury cars, I always told you before, if you haven't earned it, you don't deserve it, right? If you haven't earned a luxury car, you simply don't deserve it. What does that mean? That means there's no point of view. We all know that when you buy a luxury car, it's going to depreciate in value. You know, you see people driving these cars and they haven't really earned it, i.e. they haven't put in the work. They're just saving up and putting all their money into a luxury car and that's it. But you know, that's a liability. You know this. It's already going to depreciate in value, so you don't want that. You want to buy an asset. So even right now, I'm thinking to myself, the business mindset is kicking in. It's like, Zed, are you sure? Are you sure this is a good investment? But like I said, guys, sometimes you got to reward yourself. Let me show you what's going on here. So that's it's automatic, guys. Automatic transmissions. Let me start it for you. All right. So BMW. It's cream leather seats. Everything is fantastic because it's German. It has to be fantastic. Yeah, the guy is nice enough, so I said let me just come give you guys a shout out while I'm at it. These are honest people, genuine people. Some people say this is a bad investment. You know, it's a BMW. I mean, it looks like a luxury car. It is a luxury car. In a way, some people say it's not even, I can afford this. Of course, anybody can afford this. I mean, I could afford this when I was 20. It's not, I'm 24 now. It's not about if you can afford it or not. It's about, is it a good investment? Because when you're, look, when you work hard for your money, it's going to be hard for you to let go, right? That's just something. I mean, let go in things that you know is going to take your money away. I mean, it's easy for me to let go if I was to buy assets that will generate more money. But for me to buy liabilities, and I know, and we both know that if we buy this car, as soon as we take it out from the garage, it's going to depreciate in value. But here is what I always say. If you haven't earned it, you don't deserve it. So that way the guilt goes out the window. That way you can actually, okay, you say to yourself, I earned this car. I worked hard for it. I'm going to buy this car because I earned it. So after a while, guys, of working hard and you go out there, make that money, you save up and invest in assets and whatnot, then your time comes where you can start buying things and playing, you know, doing the things that you ever wanted to do. But the grind and the hard work has to go in first. It's a must. You have to put in the work. There's no way you can just sit around buying and working and saving and then buying luxury things and you know you're broke. You know if you sell this car, you already lost about $5,000 or euro. Right, but again, German cars and luxury cars, they kind of hold their value, but again, you're going to put miles on them. So we all know this. This isn't something that you need my education with, but if you haven't earned it, you don't deserve it. So it's an automatic, guys, and I'll show you the outside. Maybe I showed you already. Then you got all the transmissions here, and you got these sport mode and whatnot. So yeah, if you just go this, let's drive now. Some of you already know what a drive is. And then if you just go, that's neutral. Yep, I'm just teaching you how to drive a car right now. But let's just talk. Let's turn it off and let's talk, guys. Zed, what can I do to go out there and purchasing these cars? Well, here's the thing. I waited. Right now, it doesn't matter if I own this car or not. It simply doesn't matter to me. I don't care if I have a car like this or not. And that's because you start understanding that when you buy luxury things, they don't really add value to your life. The only thing that adds value to your life is comfort, right? These luxury things, materials, are just there to kind of put you above somebody else that is not working as hard as you. It basically just shows that, hey, look at me, I'm working hard. I'm working extra hard. That's the only thing that these luxury things do for you. Now, how can you do the same thing? Well, you know what I do, guys. You know I've got passive income streams. That means I'll make money regardless. I'll make money any other given day. Doesn't matter. If I spend money, I'll still make money. And we've got the stocks. Now, it might sound easy, guys, on my YouTube channel when I come out and talk to you about how, how easy it is to make money, but I went through hell, right? But you don't see it, but you might see it nowadays on my face. You see the face is tired, and that's why I'm trying to put more videos out there just to relax, and then I'll come back and make proper videos for you guys, because I do need you guys to make it somewhere in life, and change your life, because I know I was you at one stage of my life, right? Just understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets will generate you capital, liabilities won't, right? A car is a liability, we all know this. There's no such thing as a car as an asset. What day, what year did it become an asset? And I say, Zed, if I buy it, it's gonna hold its value. No, it doesn't hold its value. It doesn't pay you money, it takes money from you. So we all know this by now. So only buy these kind of cars if you can afford them, right? If you say to yourself, I've earned it, I've worked hard, right? That's all I want to say. Here's the main man at SD Autos. He's hooking us up today. So this is the BMW. Look inside. Let's go on a little drive. Let's see how powerful this is. This is the first drive ever, proper one. Let's see it. I won't lie to you, it is a powerful car. But now Zed, who is recording? Well, Zed is recording actually. You shouldn't do that. Well, driving, but I'm gonna go show my parents the new whip, because usually that's the first thing you do. You have to go show off, right? You gotta show off to your parents and whatnot. Show them how nice it is. I've never been in such a big, powerful car, first of all. I thought I wouldn't get used to this, but I'm already used to this. It's like driving this is easy, because it's so big. I've never had anything as big as this. It's easy. It's automatic anyway. The miles isn't even much. Now we need the girl. We got the car, now we need the girl. Joking, I'm joking. Relax. So I'm just gonna go to my parents, guys. I'm gonna show them this new masterpiece. I'm indicating with one hand, but the streets are empty. I just parked the car. I'm gonna go get some food now, and I'll update you with more videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this.